Hello dear aspirants, Namaskar. I hope everybody is fine. So this video specifically I'm recording for those people who are going to appear for the TSPSC Drug Inspector Examination, Telangana Drug Inspector Examination. They are going to appear, which is going to be conducted on 19th of May 2023. And the permission for downloading the admit card has been already given by this TSPSC. Okay, so right now people are downloaded. You can say people have already downloaded their hall tickets or admit card. If you are not downloaded yet, please download it as soon as possible to avoid any last minute rush, you can say, because this facility they are going to avail just 45 minutes before the examination. Okay, why I'm recording this video? There is a purpose. I'm recording this video for two purposes. For those who are going to prepare for this examination in future, for those who are going to appear in this examination after 1 day, you can say. So definitely each and every examination needs a proper strategy, proper guidance. So whatever the things we have launched a dedicated course, that is Telangana DI Satvana batch, and maximum syllabus we have done. Okay, yet preparation is going to be very good. So I am very you can say very much confident that definitely people are going to be selected. But yes, what exactly things I'm going to talk about in this video, whatever it was going to be the syllabus, whatever the going to it is going to be the pattern for this examination, what is going to be the cutoff, what expected questions you need to be attempted, how much question need to be attempted, and how you are going to deal the pressure, because pressure handling is a very important tactics during this examination. Because right now examination is not about understanding, and examination is not just limited for the knowledge checking or any you can say studying. It is also based on checking your analytical capabilities. Okay, so pressure handling you should be very aware. See, if I talk about this vacancy, this has been advertised in the 2022 with the 18 post. Okay, in 2022 they have advertised for 18 post. And if I talk about the age criteria, the age criteria they have given, that is 18 to 44 years with age relaxation as per the you can say state government rule. Okay, then they have given the syllabus, and you can say some idea that they are not going to give any negative marking examination. Okay, so that is not having any negative marking. Right now they have mentioned, earlier the examination pattern they have given, that is OMR based, you need to fill the bubble. But just 10 days before, you can say, or you can say 1 week ago, they have just announced that they are going to take the CBRT test. They are going to take the computer based test. Okay, so you need to be mentally prepared, because earlier they have announced that they are going to take the offline examination, that is OMR based examination. But right now they are going to take the CBRT based examination. So for that practice, they have also given some mock test link also on their website. So please just go and practice that. Okay. So if I talk about the scheme, they have given this whole syllabus in paper 1 and paper 2. Paper 1 is general studies and general ability. Paper 2 is pharmacy related, your concern subject. So if I talk about the pattern, that is general studies and general ability, 150 question, 150 marks, and 150 minutes time. It means 2.5 hours they are going to give you. 2.5 hours they are going to give you. Okay, for paper 1. See, for paper 2, that is pharmacy, 150 question, 150 minutes, and 300 mark. Here one thing is need to be pointed, 300 marks. So in case of paper 1, it is of 150 marks. But in case of pharmacy, they are going to give you for the 300 mark. So total this examination is for 450 marks, right? The weightage of pharmacy is going to be more higher. So 150 question, 150 question, 150 minute, 150 minute. It means if they are having two paper, so if you talk about the examination, they have also given two slot. One is forenoon, that is from 10 to 12:30. Okay, and that is afternoon from 2:30 to 5 p.m. So they are going to take two paper examination, because in syllabus they are having two subjects, two stream, you can say. Okay, so in you can say examination is going to be in two schedule. One is in the morning, that is forenoon, that is from 10 to 12:30 p.m. Second one is going to be conducted from 2:30 to 5 p.m. Okay, so admit card facility, as I have already told you, they have given just 45 minutes before the commencement of examination. You can download your admit card, but please download it as soon as possible, because last minute rush could be there. Okay, then one thing they have mentioned, that whatever, because the in paper one they have given the option, either you can go for the Telugu, either you can go for the English. But for the pharmacy they have only given the option of English. So in case of any discrepancy or misunderstanding, English version of question is going to be important. So I would request, if there is any misunderstanding or any discrepancy in the language, so please focus on English only. That is going to be the ultimate source. Okay. So I have talked about the pattern and everything. If I talk about the mock test, on their website, they have just labeled the question green, red, white. So green means you have already attempted the questions. Red means you have left unattempted, and then white means you can say unattempted you have. Okay. So red is unanswered, white is unattempted, and green is you can say attempted. See, if we are going to face the negative marking examination, the strategy is going to be different. But if we are going to face that is the examination that is not having any negative marking, so that is having different strategy. In case of negative marking examination, we are going to attempt the question in step by step. Step 1, 100%, whatever the questions we are going to get, that should be 100%. It means we are 100% sure about the question. So in first round 100%, in second round 50-50 questions you can use, and then after that you can use the technique of elimination technique also. Third round, if you are going to if you are having an idea that I'm not going to be selected anymore, I need some more marks, so definitely you can attempt some more questions. What I would suggest, in case of negative marking examination, strategy is different, because right now they have not mentioned about any negative marking, so each and every question need to be attempted. If I talk about the cutoff, because cutoff depends on different parameters, it could be dependent on, you can say, a number of candidates they have given, the type of paper they have given, means how much easy, how much tough was there, how much candidate has been appeared, how much seat has been there. So it totally depends on different parameters. And right now, because too much coachings are going to be there, too much facility is going to be there, so definitely it is going to enhance the knowledge, and it is going to enhance the competition as well. So every time the cutoff is not going to be the same. The cutoff depends on different factors. But if I talk about the general sense, in case of a negative marking examination, out of if I am assuming the question of 100 question, so that is 100%. So here you can say, in case of negative marking examination, 60 to 70% minimum cutoff is going to be there. So you need to be definitely in the range of 60 to 70% in case of negative marking examination. But there is no negative marking examination, so at least you need to attempt 70 to 80%. Minimum 70, and if 80% is going to be there, it is well and good. Okay. Again, I'm not sharing that it totally depends on the level of paper. If paper is going to be high, how you are going to how you are going to solve 80% questions. It totally depends on different parameters. But there should be an estimation that if I'm going to face any examination that is not having any negative marking examination, I need to put my attempt in the range of 70 to 80%, so that I can come in the cutoff, because it's a job examination. It is not a admission examination like ZIP. Okay. See, I have talked about the cutoff. I have talked about the syllabus. Number of question, how much we need to be it need to be attempted. Okay, it totally depends upon your accuracy. If anybody is going to attempt 100 question, out of 100 question they are going to correct 80 questions, their accuracy is different. If anybody is attempting 150 questions, and from out of 150 questions they are going to just correct 90 to 95%. So I think many of you people have just checked your accuracy level with the help of test series whatever we have provided in the course, because we have launched a dedicated course for that, and maximum syllabus we have done. Okay. So in paper 1, paper 2, already syllabus has been totally finished, and everything, every content was going to be provided for you people. Okay. If any topic is missing, do not worry about that. Nobody is having the perfect preparation. Okay. If you have prepared 70 to 80%, you can say 80%, your preparation is in the range of 80%, trust me, you are going to be selected. But that should be good preparation. Okay, not a formality. Whatever, in my experience, if you are preparing for any examination, you are not going to complete 100% of examination syllabus. Okay. So please do not worry, whatever the things have been left, whatever the things is remaining, do not worry about that. Have a faith on your preparation, have confidence on your preparation. Whatever the things you have just studied, the much your attention should be on that also. Okay. Your attention should not be on that whatever two three topics remaining, one topic remaining. Do not worry about that. Okay. Maximum syllabus you have done, that's it. Okay. And definitely you are going to be selected. because for criteria for cutoff 100% is not going to be the criteria. Okay, so if you have completed 70 to 80% syllabus or more than 80% syllabus, that is well and good. So trust on your preparation, have faith on your preparation. Last month what you can do, just go for revision. If 1 or 2 days is remaining, just in the relax mode. Okay, so your mind is very important. Okay, the working, the functioning of mind is very important at that time, because right now it's a not a knowledge game. Apart from knowledge game, it's also a mind game also. Whatever the people, they are going to just put down their mind very in a calm way, definitely they are going to do well in the examination. It totally depends upon your maturity. See, last point I would talk about the how we can handle the pressure. See, what exactly the technique I'm going to apply in examination, whatever the examination I have just given in my life. See, examination pressure handling is a tactic, you can say. Not everybody is going to handle the pressure. Many knowledgeable people can, you can, in Hindi just we can say ढह जाते हैं वो लोग. Okay, जरूरी नहीं, इट्स नॉट वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. जरूरी नहीं है कि जो बहुत पढ़े लिखे हैं वही सेलेक्ट हो जाए. इट्स नॉट अबाउट दैट. Sometimes your analytical power, sometimes your calm mind, sometimes your logical reasoning, sometimes your common sense, it is also involved in the selection of a people. Okay, so use that. And this all functioning is going to be have a proper functioning if you have any calm mind. Okay, so just have a calm mind right now at that examination. So whatever the strength, whatever the section you are having very much confident, you can start from that section. I'm talking about how to handle a pressure. In case of pressure handling, what exactly you can do, you can start the paper with that section which you are very confident, which you are feeling very confident about that. Okay, so whatever the section you are going to start, you need to have a confidence. Suppose you have started from that section and 1 or 2 questions that may be wrong, but do not worry about that. Okay, whatever the questions that are going to come, definitely your command is going to be increased. So my first suggestion to handle the pressure will be there. If your sutex is going to be stronger, start from that questions. If your this particular subject is going to be stronger, start from that section. Okay, because if you go through the syllabus, they have not mentioned about the section wise, they have mentioned about the topic wise. Sutex question, this topic. Cognosy question, this topic. So different here they have not mentioned about the sections. Okay, so you can just have an idea, you can just skip the questions and you can have an idea that what exactly questions are they have given. In case of OMR based paper, you can just turn out the pages. Okay, so you can have an idea. So what exactly the things you can do, because they have not mentioned subject wise, they have not mentioned section wise. Okay, so you can just have a look of the paper, either it is going to be online or offline. Okay, if it is possible in online, you can just go for the paper and just go for an idea. Okay, if it is not possible, just start from the starting. Do not stuck on any question, do not take any question on ego basis, that I have just gone through this paper just 1 day ago and how I'm not able to solve this question. Put your ego aside ago, you can say. Okay, do not go for any question in an egoistic manner. Okay, so ego is not very important, selection is very important. Just left that questions. If any question is unknown to you, just left that. Try to put it for the last moment. Okay, because this is not going to be a negative marking examination. See, again I'm repeating, if there is a section wise in some examination, so takes ecology cognition, but in your paper there is no section wise. Okay, so anyhow you need to just go for more and more questions. Okay, so what you can do, you if you are attempting the questions, just left those questions which are very unaware about you. You can say you are very new to those questions, just left that, do not waste the time on that. Okay, just put those questions for the last moment, because you do not need to left, because it's not a negative marking examination. Okay, every question need to be attempted, so just put that question for the last moment. Okay, and mark, you can say just marking on the questions if it is OMR based. If it is, you can say that particular window that is going to be visible, that you have unattempted this much questions, you have unanswered this much questions. So from that segment it is going to be visible. So in last moment unattempted question need to be attempted, because in earlier you have just left out the question because you are not aware about those questions. Okay, so in pressure handling I would simply suggest, because they have not given the section wise, because tactics is different for different things. So I would simply say, do not stuck on any question. Okay, do not stuck on any questions. If you are 50-50, just go to attend for those questions, because it's not a negative marking examination. Okay, so if you are confident about 50-50 questions, just go for that. If you are 100% sure, just go for that. Whatever the things you are not sure about, that just put aside and try in the last moment. But please make sure that you have touched from 1 to 150 questions. This should not happen that I have just attempted 1 to 100 question, and I have just lost my time, and 50 questions I have left unattempted. Even I was not managing the time to get access for these 50 questions in the last moment. You need to manage your time. I think you have practiced, you have managed your time. So those candidates who are going to appear in the future examination, they need to work on the management of time as well. Okay, so I have talked about the exam syllabus, cutoff, number of question to be attempted, and exam pressure handling. Because see, if in case of negative marking examination, number of question to be attempted, it's a very important parameter. But here, no negative marking. So 100% question you need to be, it need to be attempted. Okay, but 100% question, whatever you are, it is going to come, you just put aside, you just mark. And whatever the 50% chances is going to be, just go for the marking. Whatever 33%, just go for the marking, because every question need to be attempted. And whatever that has been left unattempted, you can just attempt in the last moment. Okay, so this was, you can say, short advice from my side. I'm very much confident whatever the things I have given you, that is of quality material. See, uh, some classes, there were some disturbances in the classes also for 1 or 2 days, just because of some health issues and some medical urgency, you can say, in my family. That's why 2 to 3 days classes were disrupted also. I'm really sorry for that. But I hope you can understand, because anybody can have the issue of family issue, or any medical urgency could be there. Okay, so I hope you can understand. And whatever the things, last thing I would say, whatever the things you have prepared, just have faith on your preparation, just go for revision. Okay, uh, I would say, on your examination center, you need to be very aware. Okay, just reach before the time. Okay, do not be in the very panic mode, you can say. Suppose tomorrow is your examination, decide your dress. everything sh- Everything, every minute thing matters in your selection. Your selection of your clothing, your selection of whatever the things you are going to take away for that examination, that admit or everything matters. Okay, please take care of yourselves. Okay, take some proper medicine also if you need. Okay, take proper water also if you need. Okay, be relaxed and give your 100%, that's it. Okay, it's a examination, just try to give your 100%, because now it's time to perform. Okay, just give your 100%, that's it. That is the only requirement. Because in last moment, do not go for too much panic or anything, just be relaxed, because now it's time to go for proper functioning of this mind, whatever the things you have just read. Now it's time for the execution. Okay, so my wishes is always with you all people. All the best for your examination. I'm 100% confident that you people are going to rock this examination. Okay, so take this examination as an examination. Your life is going to be much more bigger in comparison to that examination. Okay, whatever the result is going to be there, do not worry about that. Please accept that. But I would say, before examination, just give your 100%. That is the only thing that is going to be inside your hand. Rest depends upon the God. Okay, just left on the guard. So whatever the things that is in your hand, just take the responsibility of that and give the 100%. That's it, simply. And rest totally depend upon the God. Whatever the things that is going to be accepted from, you can say, God, that is going to be acceptable for you people. Okay, so again I would say, all the best for your examination. Thank you so much, and namaskar.